Hi, I'm Lachlan from Kashy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the wipers on this little old Hyundai Elantra. Pretty much all the tools I'm going to need is maybe this screwdriver, maybe, and a new wiper blade. New wipers come with a whole bunch of different doodads, okay? This just so happens to be the right size to fit in this car. To replace it, I'm going to get my fingers underneath. This is a Bosch wiper. Pop out the old doodad, pop in the new doodad, take my new wiper, lift up the wiper arm. Now I'm never ever going to let this wiper arm drop or be uncovered, right? Because if it drops, it will break the windshield. So there's a little clip under the bottom of the wiper here. You can feel it with your finger. Pop it, pull it down, and it all slides out, and then our new one just slides all the way back in. Okay, so I'll show you up close and personal. Here is the little pin that you have to push with your thumb. All right, here's our other passenger side wiper. Rear wipers are going to be a little bit different, but Elantras only ever came with, I think only ever came with front wipers, so that's where it's at for us. Pop out our other little doody dad, maybe, and grab our other wiper. Now I always think a little bit about the environment, and wiper companies in particular really upset me, right? Because they supply what is a piece of steel and a piece of rubber in 4 layers of plastic. If you can buy individual refills, that's great, but because we work on a variety of cars with a variety of histories, we always buy a complete arm. They're basically the same price, but they prevent failures. So, gather our rubbish up. That's how you replace the wipers on a Elantra. Thanks again. I'm Lachlan from Kashy.